Good morning and welcome to my channel Awakening Democracy in India. Dear friends, today I am going to speak about the importance of education of girls because girls are very important factors in the development of any nation. As we know, the birds cannot fly without two strong wings. In the same way, man cannot progress without support of a woman. So men and women are equal. In order to make women strong and self-dependent, it is very essential that we provide quality education to all girls. What is happening in our country today, we see that most of the girls are deprived of their basic education, beginning from our own families. Parents do have some prejudiced mind towards girls. They give preference to boys to send to good schools. So in my opinion, all parents, beginning from our own families, neighborhood, society, and our states and central government should focus their attention on the education of the girls. If girls are well educated, they will become self-dependent and they will not remain only doing household work in their families, but they will be undertaking responsibilities in all sectors of the government. Wherever we look today, there is a post for a girl to perform her responsibility in the best interest of our nation. We are proud to hear that our government is striving its level best to provide quality educations to some of the girls. If you have an overview of entire country, we find that there are some of the states where the girls are still left holding babies. So it is our responsibility and responsibility of our society and government to send them to school so that they can become educated and acquire appropriate degrees to acquire appropriate jobs. If we do not provide quality education to girls, they cannot become self-dependent in their life. So it is my firm conviction that we should give all opportunities wherever it is possible to send girls to schools. If girls go to school, they can become whatever they want to become in their life. Girls can perform their respective duties in all sectors of life. They can be good administrators, they could be good entrepreneurs, they could be good businesswomen, they could be very good administrators, and they can perform their duty wherever they are given appropriate opportunities. So what is needed is we must send girls to schools. If we do not send girls to school and if we think they are burden on our society and our family, we are wrong. We have to accept the fact that unless and until girls go to school, they cannot perform their respective duties. Several girls every day we see are committing suicide due to one reason or another reason. So it has to be stopped if India has to progress. On the eve of this Independence Day, it is very important and essential that girls should be sent to school, colleges, universities, and wherever they find appropriate opportunities. We respect girls, we love girls, and we have our wholehearted support for girls. So let's educate them to make better citizen of Mother India and to make them responsible citizens in a functioning democracy. Thank you for watching Awakening Democracy in our country. It is we the people who play a responsible role to make our democracy a success. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, and I give you my congratulations in advance for our Independence Day. Thank you.